This video demonstrates how to download and install the EdbMails application. EdbMails is an all-in-one recovery and migration solution for Exchange Server and Office 365. The single setup supports the following operations: recover, export offline EDB to PST, migrate EDB to Office 365 and EDB to Live Exchange Server. Live Exchange and Office 365 tenant-to-tenant migration and backup. Migrate and backup emails from IMAP-enabled servers such as Gmail, Zimbra, Zoho, cPanel, etc. SharePoint, OneDrive, Microsoft Teams site migration and backup. OSD recovery and migration, Outlook PST recovery and migration, NSF export and migration, Mbox export and migration, email export. Let's see how to download and install the software. Click the download menu from the EdbMails website. Click Download EdbMails. After the download completion, click the EdbMails setup file and follow the wizard instructions to proceed with the installation. After the successful installation of the setup, log into the EdbMails application with the email address and password you used to purchase the license on the website to start your operation. Alternatively, click the Start Your Free Trial button to test the functionality. Thanks for watching.